What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Now, it's not really a welcome back to another video because this is gonna be my first YouTube video for this car channel. I used to have another G before previous that I did a lot of stuff to, but I just never created a YouTube channel for it. So I end up, long story short, I end up getting another one. So, I figured why not now show the journey for this one. So, but the first thing I'm gonna do for this car so far as of right now, other than the little stuff that I'm gonna fix, I do have my carbon steering wheel from my last G. I was definitely gonna keep this because I knew I was gonna get another one. It's not selling this. So I have this. Now today's video I'm gonna show you how to put this on, how it looks with the car. It's pretty simple, it's not that hard. So first thing first, before you even go ahead to take off your steering wheel, you will have to take off your negative cable for your battery. You have to disconnect that because, airbag. So there's gonna be two connectors. So you see with this little hole thing right here, there's gonna be a T30 screw right here and on the other side. So you're gonna need something like this right here, like a star T30. You're gonna need one of these, or even shucks, where did I do with the other one? Damn, I had another one. This is what you're gonna use. Take that off. So disconnect the battery. Gonna, pluck these little screws out, put it in there, unscrew it. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a connector for the airbags. Take the airbags out. Then there's gonna be a 17. But look, I'm gonna just show y'all step by step on how to do it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I got the screws out. So this is what it would look like. So it's gonna come loose. All right, and this is basically what it is. So you have this. Now this is usually for your connectors, power up your buttons, whatever like that. This is for your airbag. Now for this, you really want to be careful with this because you don't want to pop the wire or whatever it is. Now to get these out, you're gonna need some type of flathead to like push it up from right here, pry it out. Just take your time, don't rush it and then you break it. If you do break it though, please don't break it completely bad. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Don't break it too bad. Break it. If you break it, just make sure you're able to still clip it back down or whatever it is, because you just want to make sure it's secured in there when you put it back. But just take your time, be patient. You can't mess up with where you put it, because once you take this out, it's still gonna be orange and yellow for the connector, so you're not gonna mess up. But yeah, that's it. You take this off. This is gonna be a 19 mil, if I'm not mistaken. 19 or 18 or 17. It's one of those. We're gonna see. I have a few of them with me right now, so we're gonna see. So you unscrew that, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so we got it off. I believe you can use an 18. I used a 19 on this. It had a little play, but it got it off. When you're taking this off, right? So when you're taking this off, you will need obviously an extension to take it off. You're gonna need something like a pry bar or something. I mean, you could still take it off with this if you're strong enough, because I'm strong enough to do it. But you're gonna have to put some force on it because the steering wheel is gonna move a little bit. And just take your time though. You don't want it to fly off and you break your glass or whatever the hell it is. But put some pressure on it, and it will snug right off. A tip as well. So you see this line and this line right here. When you take this off, right? When you put the new steering wheel back on, make sure it lines up exactly the same exact way. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want your steering wheel to be this way, then you know what I mean? So just line up the lines the same exact way and you're all good. Other than that, now it's just time to really move the steering wheel and look, come right off. I do have a screw down there shaking, so I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, so this is the screw I was talking about, guys, that you're gonna need. This is a T30. You're gonna need the one that has the little hole in it. I don't know exactly what it's called, but this is what you're gonna need right here, because this is the screw that it uses. When you're taking these out, please take your time. They're very, very, very easy to strip. You don't want to strip this crap. Also, when you putting it back in, don't over tighten it. You feel me? Because yeah, Just don't do that. Because you're going to be screwed. I'll tell you that right now. And WD-40s still don't be working with these. But let's time, put the new ones in and we're all good. Okay, guys, there we go. Make sure it's lined up. God damn, this is hard to move with 2 hands. I need 2 hands. Using my foot to hold this thing up right now. There we go. Snugged on there. All right. Make sure it's lined up. Good. Feel me? But you just bolt everything back up. Damn. What the hell did I do with the screw that Bro, do not tell me I threw it with... Oh my God. Oh, there we go. So, just throw this bad boy back in here. Jesus, this thing is taking forever. Alright. God damn, man. It's there good enough. So yeah, you plug your shenanigans. You know what I mean? Plug your shenanigans back in here. Your ground and whatnot. You put your airbags in. And yeah, so let me do all of this and I'll get back to y'all. And voila, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Steering wheel's all in, looking all fresh and nice. You know what I'm saying? I will make another video talking about my last car. There's a lot of stuff that I had on my last car, to be honest with you. I had the Tesla screen, I had coilovers, air suspension. I had a lot of goodies on my car. I regret selling it. It was giving me problems, and instead of actually being smart and parking the car, I got rid of it. But it was also just more than that why I sold it. It was just like I had a lot going on, expenses and shit like that. But I regret it so much, I bought another one. What I really wanted was G37, but at the same time, I don't really care. It's kind of the same shit to me personally. So yeah, regular steering wheel over here. I actually was gonna keep this on here a little longer because this is actually pretty fresh, dude. It's clean as hell actually. But these are really nice, man. Especially the thick one. The one that I have right now is thick. It's the thick version, so it feels really sporty. It's just really nice. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Learn how to do it. Please don't pay nobody to do this shit for you. Please don't. Learn how to do it yourself. It's easy as hell. It's just a bolt right here that we put back in. I put it back in. Another one right here. That's for the airbag. Once you take that out, take this out. Take the connectors off. You good. Use an 18, 19, whichever one. Unscrew that. Snug it a little bit. And it comes right off. Just remember, first thing first, disconnect your battery. That's it. Okay. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Learned something today. Thank you.